Let me just get some air. Hi guys, welcome back. So my parents just left yesterday and we've spent 3 weeks together in Auckland and we went on a trip to South Island for the whole week. And you know, whenever you go on a trip, you definitely gain some weight, especially when you're traveling with your mom and dad. You know, the Asian mom and dad, it was like, you're always too skinny, you never have enough food in your stomach, why are you starving? So I definitely gained some weight. So today, I want to share with you exactly what I eat to lose weight. I don't know why. Every time when I go on a trip, I would just get constipated. Not proud of it. So that's the issue that I need to address. So that's why today I want to share with you all these recipes contain good source of fibers, good protein, good oil, and less carbohydrate. So without further ado, let's go. Okay. Probably the most ugly one. Bon appetit! So I went to Costco and I bought these 2 big babies. So this is chia seed. It contains really good source of fibers, calcium, and plant-based omega-3, as well as the flax seed. So I will put them in my cereal, my smoothie, my yogurts, my desserts. But the thing is, I don't know how to finish it within a year. Can I put them in rice? Yes, you can definitely put them in rice, muffin, pancakes, bread. That's good. So I add 2 spoons of chia seed. Then I add in some soy milk. This is protein plus, so it gives me extra volume. Just put that in. I think that would be good. And give it a mix. So let it soak for at least 30 minutes. And then put it in the fridge. Okay, so after 30 minutes, it should be thick like this. Then I'll put in some strawberries and blueberries. So I bought this populus the other day. I haven't tried it yet. So I'm just gonna put that in just to add some sweetness into it. If you don't have populus, definitely put in honey. Then, as usual, I put in some matcha. Lastly, top it with a little bit granola. And we are finished! Okay, hi guys, welcome to my car. So, we need to go get groceries because my fridge is empty and I am starving right now. So we need to go quick. What am I supposed to do? Oh yeah. 파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 네 손에 나에게 줄 chocolate I'm feeling so good 눈에 보이는 모든 게 예뻐 You already made my day 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌 너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아 Slice some carrots. Then some cucumber as well. Not gonna have all, I'm just gonna cut half of it. Then I'll boil some shrimp. Now let's make the sauce. Okay, sometimes I put in some peanut butter, but I don't have it, so that would be good. Okay, then I put in 2 spoons of fish sauce. It doesn't really smell that good, but it actually tastes amazing. Okay, so if you like spicy, you can definitely put in some chili, but I cannot eat spicy things, so that would be good. Then you're going to peel off some shrimp. You know, I saw those tricks online. Some people can really just peel off a shrimp in 1 second. Not me. My dad used to taught me that, but I completely forgot, so take a rice paper, dip it in the water, then I'll put some shrimp in the middle, cucumber, some carrots. Then you want to wrap it like a baby. And we are finished! Which one to choose? Probably the most ugly one. Bon appetit! It tastes so freaking delicious! Guys, you get all the nutrition you need. Prawn, protein, veggie, and then rice paper as carbohydrate. And it has 0 oil in it. Well, sorry for my ugly eating, but this is how I eat.